In this video, we're going to dive into how to design and customize legal contracts in SuiteDash. By the end of this, you'll know how to streamline your contract creation process, personalize templates, and save valuable time when handling legal documents. Stick around until the end because we'll also explore some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs, and I'll share an exclusive offer for you to get started with SuiteDash. First, let's talk about setting up your SuiteDash account. You'll need to make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the contract tools. If you're the account owner or an admin, you're good to go. Once logged in, head over to the Documents section in your dashboard. From here, you can either choose to create a new contract or select an existing template to start customizing. The next thing you'll want to do is choose a template. SuiteDash offers several pre-built templates that are great for legal agreements like non-disclosure agreements, service contracts, and more. But if you have specific legal needs, you can also upload your own document. To customize the document, click on the Edit button, and from there, you'll be able to add your terms, conditions, and any specific clauses you need. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of customization. You can add text fields, checkboxes, and signature boxes for easy electronic signatures. One of the powerful features of SuiteDash is the ability to auto-populate fields. For example, you can set it up so that client names, addresses, and other variables automatically fill in based on the data you have in your client profile. This cuts down on manual data entry and ensures accuracy. The fourth thing to consider is automating reminders. Once your contract is ready and signed, SuiteDash can automatically send out reminders for any follow-up actions, payments, or next steps. This is particularly useful for ongoing projects or service agreements where deadlines are critical. You can also set the system to trigger notifications when a contract is nearing its expiration date or requires renewal. Next, let's touch on collaboration features. SuiteDash allows multiple team members to work on a contract simultaneously. You can track changes in real time, add comments, and assign specific sections to different team members. This collaboration feature is great for businesses that work with legal professionals, as it ensures everyone is on the same page and the contract is reviewed before being finalized. Now, while SuiteDash does a lot well, there are some things you should keep in mind. Its contract customization tools are powerful, but the learning curve can be a bit steep, especially if you're new to the platform. Plus, the pricing can be a bit high for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs looking for basic contract solutions. That said, SuiteDash excels in offering a complete solution, combining legal contracts with project management and CRM features. But here's where things get interesting. If you're looking for a software that's even better suited for your contract creation needs, stick around. There are other platforms that specialize in contract customization, offering more intuitive design tools and greater flexibility in contract templates. So, here's the deal. If you're committed to SuiteDash and want to give it a shot, we've got an exclusive extended free trial for you to test out all the features. But I've also found some fantastic alternatives that may give you more value for your specific needs, with free trials available as well. You'll get access to the best deals through our link, and these benefits are exclusive to you, our viewers. That's it for today's quick explainer. Remember, SuiteDash might be great for some, but there are better options out there for designing and customizing legal contracts. Check the first link in the description for the best free trials and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.